Welcome to my presentation. My name is Zhixin Chen. Today, I'm going to analyze operation management in a hospitality and a service-based organization. First, I will talk about an evaluation of the impact and importance of product and service innovation on the strategy of Four Seasons Hotel. Second, it will have an application of the 5 performance objectives to chart time. Finally, I will make recommendations on how the chart time can be improved for each of the 5 performance objectives. Okay, let's turn to the first point, product and service innovation in Four Seasons Hotel. There are 4 mainly concepts will be analyzed. Definition of product and service innovation. Innovation, design and creativity, concept generation, and concept screening. What is product and service innovation? Innovation means is the process of give company a new products or service, and it will be affect the society. About innovation, design and creativity. Creativity is the core of innovation. If lack of it will bring risks to the company. In addition, you can also imagine without limit. Innovation is improve current product or service or make a new product or service. Design is determine framework or appearance of product. And last will launch products and service. This is a process of innovation and also reflecting the relationship between of them. About concept generation. Ideas from customer are the company collect them ideas through research and communication. Ideas from competitors' activity. Four Seasons could analyze competitors' product and use reverse thinking to look at itself what can be innovated. For example, Mandarin Oriental Hotel launched new social platform in 2015. It can be communicate with customers. Ideas from staff. Frontline employees have more ideas because they often contact customers. For example, Four Seasons allows staff to provide customer feeling and experience, so every employees are innovator. Ideas from research and development. Every large company or organization has a research and development function. It can be used to simply research products and then transform into new products. Consequently, ideas of innovation are not only from customer and staff, but also can come from competitor inspire. Next, the company will do concept screening. After collecting ideas, innovators must choose new products that can be developed. So, will be through screening. For example, it satisfies specific requirements or not. Look at the chart on the right. Concept screening should consider these factors: resource or technical capability, value creation and market potential, stakeholders, competition, production capability, finance, and risk. Lastly, Four Seasons launched a new service called Four Seasons Chat. In 2017, Four Seasons Hotel launched this app, which has now been applied to a worldwide Four Seasons hotel. Customers can use it to contact the hotel before they check in, and they also can through other apps connect to Four Seasons Chat. For example, WeChat, Facebook, and Message. Then, customers are not communicate with a robot. This is real people. In Four Seasons Chat, there are 100 languages provided. In addition, Four Seasons have personalized service, like custom bed. The next point I'd like to focus on is analyze 5 performance objectives in chart time. They are quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and cost. About quality, in other words, doing things right. It is don't make mistake and according to rules, give service. So I went to chart time, I ordered 2 drinks, but she only gave me 1 cup. When I remind her, then she gave me the second one. About speed, being fast. It is corresponding customer needs in fast rate and short process of service. In chart time, although order quickly while waiting for drinks for a long time. Dependability is being on time. It is giving customers want or nearly achieve to their expected. Chart time sell many kinds of delicious tea. Milk tea tastes are familiar with China. I am satisfaction. About flexibility is being able to change. It is be responsive when faced with unforeseen things. I thought only 1 employee for order and 1 employee for making drinks in chart time. If they meet a large number of customers on that day, customers were waiting for a long time. Cost is being productive. It is lower cost, the price will not too high. I spent £7 for 1 regular drink and 1 large drink in chart time. It is not very expensive. I can accept this price in the UK. Through the experience, I suggest chart time should be checked the numbers of drinks and be more training. Then hire more staff can be fast. Moreover, chart time can add 1 more cashier if customer need. Now I'll give you my conclusion. Four Seasons Hotels humanize innovation benefits from the collection and screening of ideas. Operation management should focus on many aspects. Innovation is the only one aspect of it. In general, chart time is fine, but still need to improve and can do better in the future. These are my references. Thank you for your listening and watching.